What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. Well, not quite, guys, as my channel here has not been activated for live streams just yet, but I will get on that soon as I get activated. Should only be a few more hours. Let's get this crypto. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to give you guys a short update here on the Bitcoin price action as I'm seeing it right now. Of course, we have been flirting with the 6,800 USD level, and we have been seeing some rejection up there, but that is no surprise, as that is where the resistance line of the entire channel has been drawn. So if we look in here, guys, this is the 4-hour time frame we're looking at. Every time that we're looking to test up at that resistance level, we are certainly finding some extreme rejection. Now, what I'd like to point out here is that we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, and now possibly a 5th bear flag being formed here. Now, I actually want to zoom out to the 1-day candlesticks to look at this even further. Now, this entire downtrend that we've been on here, guys, since the top out at about 10,000 and we started our descent down to what was ultimately the bottom at 6,100 here, we do appear to now be forming a multi-day bear flag once again. Now, the problem with these bear flags, guys, is that they do kind of tend to drop down pretty fast, as exemplified by the aggressive move here and the aggressive move here. Now, we are seeing some interesting phenomenons happen here, ladies and gentlemen, as the bottom did appear to come in at 6,100. Of course, as you guys know, I did have my bids laddered down that far, so I am sitting in a pretty nice profit at this point. But there is concern here, because we did get a triple bottom, but we still don't really have full confirmation if that's going to be a bullish triple bottom or not. As you guys can see here, after the aggressive move down, we do always tend to get an aggressive move up over the course of a week or two, right? So the problem for me, guys, is that this entire swing down has been pretty much characterized by bear flags, and it does appear to me right now that we are forming another bear flag at this time. So of course, I'm using my risk mitigation strategy. I have my stop losses in place. I've taken some profit already at these levels. I'm going to have my position closed in profit if this does go sour and breaks downward out of the bear flag. Now, let's also give a bullish outlook, right? Because this is just not a bearish outlook only. We can negate this bear flag if we do, in fact, happen to get above the 6,900 level and try and get up over the next resistance level at about 7,500. If we can break up into here, ladies and gentlemen, consolidate and look to test this area, it will pretty much, negate the bear flag that we're seeing at this level. But right now, I do certainly believe that there could be downside from here. We're hitting a resistance level that's, seen rejection 3 times already. Volume has certainly started to come back in, as we could see here. As compared to the past few days, we have remained above the prior 3 days volume for the last 3 days in a row, which is absolutely great to see, as it does help us as traders. It gives more merit to what we're seeing in the charts. The information is more credible than at low volumes, right? So I just wanted to put this on your guys' radar. I ultimately still am leaning pretty bearish right now, although we did see some good news come out today that supposedly Tether does have enough USD to back their tokens, says a law firm in an unofficial statement. Now, guys, this was not an official audit, so who knows really of what we're going to get in terms of the truth here from this firm. But it is some positive market sentiment here, guys. So I think this is good for the market. It kind of is a sigh of fresh air, or a sigh of relief rather, a breath of fresh air for crypto traders here, as apparently at least a law firm has looked into Tether's funding and says they allegedly have enough USD to back their tokens. So this is definitely positive market sentiment in my opinion. Now guys, like I was saying earlier, I will be back with the twice daily live streams soon as my account here does get activated. So welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, smash that thumbs up button, guys. Moon the likes, moon them up, smash that subscribe button, tick the little bell. Let's get this crypto. It's been my pleasure being here with you guys. Of course, nothing on this video is investment advice. Always do your own research and your own due diligence before investing. This market is incredibly volatile. So, keep your head on tight, guys. We'll see what's going on here with this trend. I'll continue to follow it. Hopefully the account gets verified within the next 24 hours and we can begin our twice daily streams once again. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been my absolute pleasure and I look forward to continue streaming with you all. So until next time, be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs.